ProMed has evolved significantly in the last 2 years, and I don't see that changing. ProMed has come a long way in trying to satisfy our customers with their upfront needs in design and prototyping with our our build out of the prototypes department. We have done a lot of upfront engineering time, and we found that a lot of our customers are seeking those kinds of services for 3 to 4 years before they can move into production. And so we're actually gearing our company to continue to support heavily on those on the R&D side of customers' components. Usually the life of a product before it hits production is about 3 to 5 years. And so with changes of materials, changes of designs, and being able to change iterations quickly so that we can help them get to market quicker, we're continuing to support that activity again by doing the new build-out that we are.